video will demonstrate how to connect your oxygen connector to the back of the Astra 150 device. This is the oxygen connector. Right now it is in the closed position. If I try to connect my O2 connector, it won't go in. In order to connect it, you must push up to open the connector. Then you can insert your oxygen connector in, click it into place. Now you will take an oxygen tubing, connect one end securely to the oxygen connector. The other end will get connected to your oxygen source, can be the home oxygen concentrator or portable oxygen tank, and then set your oxygen flow to the appropriate prescribed amount.